3, go. Nope.
Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt DCD 999. This is a FlexVolt. And then we have the Makita. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. Yes, it's the Makita hammer drill 40V XGT. Yeah, these are definitely some really powerful tools. This is not really to see what's comparable to voltages or anything, battery size or anything. This is mostly to see which ones gets the job done quicker or more powerful. That's it, pretty much. Nothing scientific. We do have a 6 amp hour FlexVolt battery on this one. That's one of the newer batteries. It is full, fresh out of the charger, as you guys see there. We're going to be running all these tests on speed 3. This is the FlexVolt Advantage, the DCD 999, as you guys see it there. And then we have the Makita. This is a 40V Max Lithium XGT. You got a full battery, fresh out of the charger, brushless. As you guys see, it's a really nice tool, XGT. Brushless, and you got GPH01 speed 2 drilling mode. Alright, the first test is a 1/2 inch drill bit. So we're going to be running this side by side, one at a time.
One, two, three, go. Alright, we got a 1-inch spade bit. We're going to be running both of these tools with the same spade bit. Speed 2 drilling mode. Just right here. 1, 2, 3, go. We're through. There's that. Alright, we got a 3/4 inch speed bore here. We're going to start with the Makita. Speed 2 drilling mode. Alright, just right here. You're running it right here. 1, 2, 3, go. For the final test, we're going to be running a 4-inch lag. This is a 1/2 inch by 4 inch lag. And we're going to be running a 3/4 inch Makita socket. Makita here. Let's run on speed 3, see if it'll do it. Speed 2, drilling mode. 3, go. Nope. If it didn't do it, we're going to try on speed 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so as you guys did see, the anti-kickback from this tool was kicking in. That's when you don't hold it firmly.
Alright, what do I think about these tools? These tools are great tools, very powerful. Both of these deserve to be in the professional trades, in the field, construction, whatnot. These are very reliable tools. I really like the Makita because it has more modern stuff. It does have newer stuff. It's just like the clutches and everything. It is a higher voltage, so you're able to run a bigger battery and then see if you have any bigger tools. Like on the field. It does have that electric clutch. That's a plus right there. You put it on screw mode there, and then you can pretty much mess with the 21 settings in speed 2 and the 41 settings in speed 1, basically. So 41 settings in speed 1. That's a really plus about this. Very precise, very, as if you guys want to watch a more detailed video on these settings, you guys could go to my other video on just this tool. But yeah, these are both very reliable. DeWalt's proven itself over the years. We've seen DeWalt out there on the field for several different years, and it's been really reliable tool. It's a really nice tool to use too. The only thing I don't like about the DeWalt is the chuck basically. But other than that, full battery on both. These are both great tools. Definitely check them out. You know, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.